What's up guys, welcome back to the course. In this video, we're going to learn how to potentially monetize your expertise and your skill sets in prompt engineering. Alright, so you've learned all the skills and knowledge related to prompt engineering. So obviously you want to find a way to monetize your expertise, right? So yeah, actually you can do it by selling ChatGPT prompts on these online marketplaces. So I listed four online marketplaces. Obviously, there are more than these four marketplaces where you can sell your ChatGPT prompt or any prompt. It can be Midjourney prompt, it can be DALL-E or Leonardo AI prompt, or yeah, any other prompt, right? It doesn't have to be ChatGPT prompt, but we're going to be concentrating on ChatGPT prompts, right? So we have Etsy, we have Gumroad, we have prompt base and prompt attack. So before talking about it's one of them, it is very crucial for me to remind you this. When you're selling ChatGPT prompt, it is very essential for you to understand that you need to sell your own prompt. You need to sell ChatGPT prompt that you created by yourself, right? Do not take someone else's prompt and then sell it as yours. Because not only that you are going to be potentially sued by the creator of that prompt, but also your account might be suspended, right? Because you're infringing upon copyright regulations. You shouldn't take or steal, prompts that do not belong to you, right? So make sure that you keep that in mind. All right, so let's get started. We're going to go to Etsy, so just click on this and it will take you to Etsy. So obviously Etsy is a very large marketplace. It wasn't designed specifically for creating ChatGPT prompts. You can sell like many different products. You can sell print on demand. You can sell jewelry. You can sell digital products on Etsy. So it's not specifically designed for selling prompts, but there are lots of people selling ChatGPT prompts. If you type in ChatGPT prompt, all right, just click on it. There are many stores, there are many sellers selling ChatGPT prompts here. For example, like this store sells 1 trillion Midjourney prompts at $10.91. It sells 70,000 ChatGPT prompts. It sells at $9.20. So yeah, that's the price range, like between $5 to $15. I think that's like the ideal price to sell. This store also sell how to use ChatGPT and prompts to create it. Probably it's kind of like guideline how to utilize ChatGPT, stuff like that. Or maybe it's more like ebook, right? So yeah, there are like many different stores. There are like many different sellers selling ChatGPT prompts here. Let's pick one example and see the sales. All right, let's pick this as our example. Sell it at $8.29. Oh, actually, it's 50% off. So like the actual price is $16, 58 cents. All right. So if you scroll down, there are also like many other sellers selling ChatGPT prompts here, right? And some of them sell it below $5. So that's pretty good to know, like the price range, right? Let's go back to the main menu here. So yeah, there are like many different sellers, and if you want to be competitive on Etsy, I totally get it. There are like lots of competitors on Etsy. You need to price your product. You need to price your ChatGPT prompts a little bit lower than the market price, so you can like stand out from the crowd, right? Because people like customers are going to purchase the one that is cheaper, right? that's just like the nature of human, right? They want to purchase products that is cheaper. So if you go to web similar and then type in Etsy.com, all right, you can see like the amount of traffic that Etsy receive every single month. Look at this, 470.5 million people come into Etsy last month, right? So obviously, when it comes to traffic, Etsy is a huge marketplace. You have lots of potentials, even though you have a lot of competitors. But can you imagine like 470 million people come into this marketplace every single month? Um, and when you display your product here, there's a high potential your product is going to be uh, purchased by one of those people, right? Obviously. And for Etsy though, if you want to list your product here, it's going to cost you like 20 cents for its listing, and you will need to renew it every 4 months. So just keep that in mind. So for example, you're planning to list, let's say, 5 products, then multiply up 20 cents by 5. So you're going to pay $1 every 4 months. All right, so every 4 months your listing are going to be expired and you need to renew those listings. All right, so yeah, that's Etsy. Let's go to this second marketplace, which is Gumroad. So just click on this link and it will take you to Gumroad. So Gumroad is another marketplace that you can sell your ChatGPT prompts. The only difference here is the size. Gumroad is not as big as Etsy. So if you go to Gumroad and then click on Discover, so that's like Gumroad Marketplace. And Gumroad was specifically designed for selling digital products, right? So if you type in ChatGPT prompt, just enter, right? There are many sellers, many stores selling their ChatGPT prompts, template or toolkit or whatever, right? If you go to similar and then type in Gumroad, the size is nowhere close to Etsy, but it still has a huge potentials. So if you scroll down here, there are 25 million people coming to this website last month, right? So even though the size is nowhere close to Etsy, but I think if you want to have like less competitors and you want to be more focusing on digital products, you can utilize this marketplace to sell your ChatGPT prompts. All right, so yeah, let's move on to the third marketplace. I'm just gonna close these two so we don't have too many tabs. And the third one here is prompt based. So prompt based is different compared to Etsy and Gumroad, right? So Etsy and Gumroad, those two marketplaces were not created or designed specifically for selling prompt. But prompt based, as you guys can guess from the name of this marketplace, it was specifically designed to sell your ChatGPT prompt or any other AI prompts. So just click on that link, it will take you here. So welcome to prompt based. This is one of the largest online marketplace for selling your prompts. It can be like DALL-E, GPT, Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, ChatGPT prompt. As you guys can see down here, relatively they sell at lower price. For example, like this one sells at $2.99, $3.99, and what else? Academic essay expert, $2.99. What else? Analysis competitors, $2.99. But don't worry, because there are lots of people are purchasing this product. So even though you're selling this product at a very low price, but you know that you're playing with the margin, right? So even though you're selling this product at, let's say, $3 or $2.99, but if there are like 100 or even thousands of people purchasing your product, then obviously you're going to make a lot of money too, right? So let's go to similar web and check the traffic coming to those websites. Obviously, it's not going to be It's not going to be as big as Etsy, but we'll see. It's not going to be like 100 millions every month. Yeah, in fact, it's only like 1.5 millions. All right, 1.5 millions. But the thing here is, for 100 millions people coming to Etsy, only like few percentage of those people coming to Etsy looking for prom. But 1.5 million coming to this marketplace, like every single one of them is interested in prom. That's the reason why they come here in the first place, because they're interested to purchase prom, right? So like the whole people, the whole populations come into this marketplace are interested in purchasing, either ChatGPT or maybe Midjourney prom. All right, so yeah, that's the third marketplace. Let's talk about the last one here, which is Prom Attack. Again, Prom Attack was kind of similar to Prombase. Was specifically designed for selling prompts, not like Etsy or Gumroad. All right, so just gonna click on it. I will take you here, Prom Attack. So this is the marketplace. As you guys can see, those people are also selling the prompts at lower price, maybe like $2, $3, $4. So yeah, relatively at a lower price, but they are playing with the margin. And especially this is like digital product, so you only need to create this once, and it can be sold for many times. So the profit margin is actually 100%, right? So you don't have to get this from your supplier, like physical product drop shipping. Instead, you only need to create it once, and then it can be sold for maybe 1,000 times if you're lucky, right? So obviously, if you are wondering like which marketplace that you want to use to sell your ChatGPT prompt, then I'll go with Prombase, because it is going to have like more traffic compared to Promotech. But if you're looking for like very big marketplace, then I really recommend you to go with Etsy. All right. So yeah, I think that's it, guys. That's all you need to know about selling ChatGPT prompts on online marketplaces. I'll see you guys in the next video.